What does the number 537 represent? So here we're thinking back many years to when you first learned about place value. What does 537 represent? What do we really mean? Well, we read it as 537. What that means is it's 5 lots of 100 plus 3 lots of 10, which we call 30, plus 7 lots of 7 lots of units. We might prefer to write that as 5 times, well, 100 is 10 squared, 3 times 10 to the 1, and 7 times 10 to the 0. Just rewriting each of these as powers of 10. And the powers of 10 here come from the fact that we use a base 10 number system. If we change that 10 to a 2, so it was 5 times 2 squared plus 3 times 2 to the 1 plus 7 times 2 to the 0, would be working in a binary system. We changed it to 12, it would be what's called a duodecimal system, a base 12 system. We can make the base any number, and the numeral, the number represented by this symbol, would mean something slightly different. What we use normally is these ones. What we're going to be looking at is polynomials, and polynomials are when we say, well, what if we don't know the base? What if instead of base 10, we're dealing with base x, some unknown base within this calculation? Can we still do some useful things for that? And that's what polynomials are all about. We tend not to look at them from that conceptual idea, but that is what a polynomial is underneath. We're going to see how we manipulate polynomials and see how it works in exactly the same way as if we were manipulating numbers, just a bit more generalized, as algebra often is.